welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm just gonna be doing a quick everyday look. This is like the look that I just quickly throw on when I need to get out the door. If you guys would like to see how I did this, please keep watching. Please keep watching. Please keep watching. I need to be stopped. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows on camera today. This is what my eyebrows look like naturally. Disaster. I don't get them done or anything like that. I just fill it in and conceal. And I fill it in using powder. I just feel like for my everyday look that's more natural. Honestly, everyday, not everyday, it's just easy for me to use powder. I want to start using like pomades and this, that, but I just use powder for now. This is the one that I use. It's from Collection. It's like, I don't know how much it was. It's really affordable and it's very good. So I'm going to start by just filling in the ends. And then just keep brushing through it as I fill it in. Okay, now that we're looking crazy, I'm going to conceal my eyelids. What? No, I'm going to conceal my eyebrows. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm just trying to be a YouTuber today. Oh, I didn't cream my hands. I didn't cream my hands, so I'm not going to be a YouTuber today. In Creamy Beige. I'm going to use it to conceal under my brows. And then I'm going to mix it with warm honey. Why does it work when I want to put on my forehead? I'm going to mix it with warm honey and I'm going to use it to conceal the top of my brows. And let me show you how I do that. So all that leftover concealer that was around here, I'm just going to blend it down. And just use that to prime my eyes instead of using extra product. They are definitely not sisters or twins. Let's just say they're cousins. Like third or fourth cousins. And now I'm just going to set that with some powder. I'm not going to do too much on my eyes because it is a natural look. So this is something that I would do if I'm like, I just need to go run some errands, or I just need to, just like if I'm going to uni, if I'm just going out. I'm going to take this palette and I'm going to take the shade and this shade. So I'm going to use this Morphe palette instead. And I'm going to take this orange. Okay, now I'm going to put on some eyeliner. This is just a brown eyeliner. I feel like using brown eyeliner instead of black eyeliner kind of gives it a more natural look because it's not as harsh. It's not as like dark as black. Duh. So now I wouldn't usually wear lashes. I'll just leave my eyes like this, but for today, well, let's just put on some lashes. They look like this. Okay, so now I'm going to get started on the face, and I'm going to start by moisturizing using the Neutrogena Hydroboost. So when I'm not doing looks that are too crazy, I like to really focus on the skin and prep it as much as I can. Now I'm going to go in with this. This is the Revolution Ultra Strobe Cream, and this just, because my skin is it's not dry but it's not oily, but it can get dry, so I'm just putting this underneath my makeup to glow me up. I want me some glow, okay? And now I'm going to put some rose salt on my face. So for foundation, I don't use foundation when it's like more natural looks. I just don't use foundation on an everyday basis. I just go in with the same concealers and I just conceal where I need it the most. So I'm going to go in with Warm Honey first, and I'm just going to do 3 lines there. I'm going to put some here, and up here. And now I'm going to take Creamy Beige and I'm just going to do the same thing as I did. I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast, and I'm just going to use that to contour. And I'm just going to use my sponge to blend that out. And the trick with blending is to always blend up like that, because when you blend it down, it's just you're trying to cut your cheek. Okay, you're trying to make yourself look like you have higher cheekbones, like you have a higher, like you're structured. Okay, if you blend lower, it's just going to like drag your face down, and you're not going to get the same effect. Now I'm just going to set everything with powder, and I'm using. Damn, my heater is on. You can probably hear it. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, it probably sounds a little bit better now. I'm just going to set my face, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 315. So I use a lighter shade just so I can set the concealer under my eyes to brighten it up a bit. I usually don't set my whole face anyway. I wouldn't advise that you do, especially if you have dry skin. Just set where you conceal and where you get the most oily, because all the other parts of your face you're gonna powder anyway. So right now I'm gonna contour, and I don't need to powder this bit here because the contour powder that I use is gonna set that cream, and I'm gonna use blush which is gonna sit around here, and like, you know, all the other products that you use set your face anyway, so why make yourself extra powdery and powder your whole face? I'm just gonna contour a bit more using this big palette. And I'm also going to use the same palette for a blush. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to take whatever that was left on the brushes and just run it under my eyes. Under, not in. I'm going to take this, I just love Revolution, don't I? This is the Revolution Pro Amplified Strobe and Highlighting Palette. It comes with creams and powder. So this is the cream, this is the powder, and like they all like go together. And I'm gonna use this, a mixture of these two. So I get asked a lot, how do I like make my highlight so bright? This is what I do. So I go in underneath with like a cream or a liquid or just something, and then I just put it on my finger and just tap tap tap, and then I'll go over with the powder. This liquid helps the powder stick to it, which makes it show up more, which makes the highlight brighter. And now I'm going to take the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going to set my face with some rose water. While that's setting, I'm just going to do my lipstick. I don't usually wear lipsticks on day out, on everyday basis. I just put on some lip liner and call it a day. And that is it for my look. This is literally all that I do, and then I just run out. I hope you enjoyed the look. If you did, please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. It's easy to follow, right? Thank you so much for damn, nail kit. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.